At Third Eye, our vision is to provide fleet owners with the tools to help them make smarter, more productive decisions that consistently deliver the lowest total cost of ownership. This vision involves a connected digital infrastructure, something we call the Internet of Possible. Here's how we do it. Third Eye equipped vehicles and other assets communicate their current state in real time, all the time, whether they're on a job site, on a highway, or stuck in traffic. That data tells fleet owners where their trucks are, the current health of both the chassis and the body, as well as real-time driver and driver environmental monitoring. Fleet owners know when their customers are being serviced instantaneously, as well as potential customers that need servicing. That's the Internet of Possible. Today's modern refuse fleet is working to be coordinated with hardware and software to communicate with any number of backroom systems. But Third Eye's vision involves a much stronger, connected, digital universe. What if refuse containers could talk to your trucks to communicate both the contents of the container and what the truck needed to do with that container's payload? What if the truck could talk with the refuse fleet's maintenance department to order replacement parts for a system that was going to fail within the next month, and then place an order for that part autonomously? What if the truck could sense its location and determine whether it was en route or off-road with regard to federal highway tax implications? At Third Eye, our enhanced vehicle behavioral analytics provide us with a deliverable vision of will-dos, not what-ifs. Maybe it's time you join us on this journey as we run to the sound of innovation. At Third Eye, our vision is to consistently provide fleet owners with real-time information that helps them make smarter, more productive decisions that deliver the lowest total cost of ownership. At Third Eye, the Internet of Possible isn't us. The Internet of Possible is you.